Os I chi fel fi wedi danto turkey ar ôl y diwrnod mawr, well, dyma'r recipe fantastic. If, like me, you're fed up of turkey after the big day, here's a very nice, simple and easy recipe using turkey to make a nice, warm curry. Na I fynd dros y cynhwysion yn y fideo. I'll go over the ingredients in the video. So yn gyntaf, mae angen torri ac yna chwysu eich chwinons lawr nes ymwneud nhw'n feddwl. So firstly, you need to chop and dice your onions down and get them sweating in a nice hot pan. Once this is ready, okay, you can then start to chop and peel your garlic and fresh ginger. Unwaith yn barod, mae'n barod i torri ac yna malu lawr eich sinsir chi a'r galleg chi. Tip chi crafu'r sinsir wedi cael llwyde. Quick tip for you here, just use a teaspoon to scratch off the skin of the ginger before you start chopping it up. Okay, os mae ydych chi gwas garlleg neu hyd yn oed gratiwr, bydd hwn yn well i chi, ond ystyried bod pawb felly ddim dyrun. If you do have a garlic crusher or a grater, okay, obviously it's a lot easier to do this, but understand that not everyone possibly has these at home. Felly, unwaith maen nhw'n darnau bach, mae'n amser i roi nhw mewn i'r sosban gyda'r winos. So once they're completely cut into small pieces, it's time to add them to the pan and get these sizzling as well for about 2 minutes. And make sure that it infuses all the flavour. So ni'n neud hwn i sicrhau bod y winos yn ymsugno y blas allan o'r garlleg a'r sinsir. Okay, ymlaen nawr, jyst i siarad tyma bach amdano y spice. So beth sy'n dynnu ar y plat hyn, ydy tymach o cumin, turmeric, hadau cardamom, a hefyd cloves, ffyn, cinnamon, halen, pupur, tyma bach o mint a turmeric. A felly, unwaith mae popeth yn barod ych chi fan hyn, mae'n amser wedyn i torri lan y ciw iar sy'n ar ôl dych chi o'r cinio Nadolig. Okay, once you're ready, then it's time to cut up the turkey that you have left over from the Christmas dinner. Okay, but ni ddim yn rhoi y croi mewn. I wouldn't suggest you put the skin in, and also make sure that you get rid of any excess if you don't want any chewy bits in your curry. So i'n sicrhau bod chi ddim yn rhoi mewn y cig. Right, fi'n hoffi y cig tywyll. I do like the dark meat in it. It seems to sort of absorb better more the flavour. Unwaith chi'n hapus wedyn, ychwanegwch y spice yn gyfan a'i cymysgu yn fanwl iawn. Once you're happy then that the onions and the garlic and the ginger are broken down, add your spice plate and stir, making sure everything is mixed in correctly and that it absorbs again all the flavour. Cook this again for a further 2 minutes so it absorbs all of those spice flavours. So unwaith mae'r spice wedi cael ei ymsugno, mae'n amser ychwanegu puree tomato. So once you think it's all absorbed in and got all the flavour, add your tomato puree, stirring it again and cook this again for another 2 minutes. You then add your creme fraiche, okay, ac yna ychwanegwch eich 2 lwy o creme fraiche, a bydd hwn wedyn yn creu y saws. Bydd angen ychwanegu tymach o ddŵr a hyd yn oed cube stock wedyn. You will need to add a little bit of liquid in the stock cube later on. Felly, fel ddywedais, ychwanegwch falle 100 i 150 ml o ddŵr twym ac yna eich cube stock a'i droi i helpu fe tewhau hyd yn oed. Okay? Then, as I mentioned earlier, add about 100 to 150 ml of boiling water and your stock cube. This will thicken and also make it a little richer sort of sauce. Ac yna, mae'n amser i ychwanegu'r turkey. It's then time then to add the turkey in. Okay, because it's already cooked, this won't take any time at all. It's something that's quick and easy for the day after Christmas Day. So mae'n rhywbeth cyflym. Okay, chi gallu gwneud yn syth y diwrnod ar ôl y Nadolig. Chi gallu paratoi fe o flaen llawn pertioedd. You can prepare it ahead of time, ready for parties and so on, and serve it with rice. Okay, or other things. So beth rwy'n gwneud, rwy'n gweini fe gyda tyma bach o coriander fresh. So you cut up a bit of fresh coriander to add a bit of depth to the flavour, and also then serve it with maybe some roast potatoes, some red cabbage and some carrots. So you gweini fe gyda moron, dressir coch a tatws rost. Diolch yn fawr iawn.